We are pleased to show you
The 2009 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, security package, electronic stability package, front stabilizer bar, cloth seats, halogen headlamps, rear stabilizer bar. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.